start on the siding of this one. Take a walk around. Homeowners chose some great colors. Very nice. Black roof. Started on the interior boards. The lofts are installed. This unit's going to have 2 lofts with a set of stairs in the center leading to both. Be very nice. Bathroom in a small section for the laundry area. That's it for today. We'll have another update in the coming weeks.